Hi traders, just a quick video tonight just to catch up. Well, the Dow has gapped up. You can see the gap here, and this is the 4 hour on the left, daily on the right. Gapped up and held up, but really not doing much. We're sitting on this support, and just sitting on this support as well. Let me just qualify that. Yeah, we are just now, literally just on the line. So slim pickings. I did make money on the Dow today, but very slim pickings. I scalped it down to 700 and then got 20-30 points to the upside. That was it. Oil took most of the day to slide down. Eventually found some support on this 4 hour chart, and it's holding up. So what do I think that oil's going to do? It's very bullish. We've just about touched the daily 50, not quite touched the daily 50. If we come down further and touch 101, 50 or 70 area and hold, I'm very much like to buy down here. And so if that slides down here and holds, I will buy that. Or failing that, if we come down just to 102 and get some sort of holding pattern on 102, I will look to buy that. Before I go away, let's just check on the other indices. The Nasdaq just hung at the highs there, and the S&P. I would say they look a bit like a hanging man spinning top. So that's not sort of pattern of conviction. If we start to close underneath that, then I would get concerned. And the dollar was very strong today. Here's the Euro US. Held last Thursday's level, but is weak. ECB meet on Thursday, so we might find it just treads water until Thursday and then will break one way or the other. So what I mean is, I suspect we might stay within that range, and then we'll see where that's going to go. The Euro Yen. I do have a short position in the Euro Yen, but it's closed higher. So what I've done is I've got what I call a market lot. If I get stopped out, it doesn't matter. A market lot is just a very small lot. That's not going to make me any money, but it does attach me to the trade and forces me to watch it a little closer than I would do otherwise. So you can see we've got a lot of resistance here. So unlike the Euro US, we are above this. We're close higher, and we are above the daily 200, but not doing a whole heap, trapped in a range. So I would box that as well. Keep my short for now. Actually, that's a bad box. Let me just sort that properly. That's boxed. So we've been in this box for a long time. Been in this box since 16th of May. If 139 gets bought tomorrow and we rise up to 140, that's an option, but it's always tougher, I find from experience, that trading an instrument between the 50 and the 200 is a lot tougher. Aussie US, I was looking for this to come down to 92.50, 60 area and hold. We're under 92.50 just. I have a position in this, taking around about the 92.50 area, so I'm just slightly underwater, and I'm not going to give it much room, as it's not looking great. That's it. Pound Aussie dollar. That's closing above the trend line there, just on the 50 EMA. I think that's a buy. I would 180.45, 180.50 is a buy on that one. I will take a position on that tomorrow if I get a pullback. Otherwise, US dollar yen's had a good day. The yen pair, that's a lovely chart. So if you see 102.10, let's mark that up. Yeah, okay, so if I see that again tomorrow, that will be a good buy. I'm not sure it's going to come down that far. We'll see. But that is a nice pattern now. That trend line wasn't telling me anything. Okay, so I will look for a pullback in the US or yen. I will manage my small position in the euro yen short. I'm looking to see if the indices can get any sell signals up there at the moment, but it is a higher close, so you know, stay on the trend and don't fight the trend. And we basically we keep touching the ATMA and closing higher, or certainly holding the ATMA on these indices. Alright, gold is not doing anything. So at the moment it's pretty much sit on your hands. The best chart out there is pound yen and US dollar yen. Okay, they're the two charts, better than indices, better than the oil. They are definitely the best charts out there. US dollar yen being the better one because that one, pound yen, is under a trend line. Okay, I hope that helps and see you soon.